Good morning students. Now we will see worksheet 7. Here we have given algebraic expression and exact value of variable is also given, and we have to put the value of variable in the expression and then calculate its exact value. See question number 1a part. Here expression is 3a plus 2b and the value of a is 2 and value of b is 2. So here we will write put a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. Put means we will replace this value in the expression. Here this first term is 3 multiply a. So we will write 3 multiply 2 plus as it is 2 as it is. Here we will put the sign of multiply and then value of b is 3. Here we will use the BODMAS. First we will solve the multiply. 3 into 2 6 plus 2 into 3 6, then 6 plus 6 12. Now see B part of question number 2. Here expression is 2x minus 3y plus 6z and value of variables are x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to minus 3. So here we will replace these variables by their values. So first term is 2 multiply x. There is no sign between them, but we will consider multiply. 2 multiply x. So 2 multiply minus 1. Then minus as it is, 3 as it is. Then multiply. Y is replaced by 2. Plus as it is, 6 as it is. Then put multiply. And z will be replaced by minus 3. I have written minus negative number in bracket. Again, there are 3 terms. We will use the BODMAS. So multiply will be done first. 2 into 1 and minus is also there, minus 2. Minus 3 into 2 minus 6. 6 into minus 3 minus 18. Now we will use the concept of integers. Here 3 terms are there and all have the same sign. So same sign sum. Their sum is 26 and sign in case of 2 sign we put the sign of both, but there are 3, so we will put the sign of 3 and that is minus. So answer is minus 20. Now see question number 4. Here value of z is minus 9 and expression is 2 upon 3z plus 6. So here we will put the value of z. This is the expression. Put z is equal to minus 9. So 2 by 3 and there is no sign, so we will put the multiply by minus 9. And we can put the 1 in denominator if you have some confusion. Otherwise you can cut directly also. And plus 6 as it is. Now we will cut here 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9 and 3 2 ja 6 and 1 minus is also there and plus 6. Now see here different sign difference, 6 minus 6 0. In question number 5 value of variables are given and we have to verify that. We have to show that this is equal to this. LHS is equal to RHS. So we replace these values of variables in LHS also and in RHS also, and we should get the equal answer from both sides. This is the equation LHS and RHS. Put the values replaced, a by 1, b by minus 2, c by minus 1, and here also. Now we'll calculate 7 into 1 7 plus minus minus 2 plus minus minus 1, and these all are in multiplication. So this is only one term. So multiply all of them. We will get 4 and there is 2 minus even times. So 4. Now here same sign sum first. 7 minus 3 4. We got 4 from both the sides. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. Now see value based question number 1. Amounts donated by Mr. Lal and Mr. Sohan to an orphanage are represented by this expression and this expression. This expression is money donated by Mr. Lal. This expression is money donated by Sohan. In first part, find the total amount donated and by replacing variables find the exact amount also, and in second part what is the value depicted here. Here amount donated by Mr. Lal is this first expression, amount donated by Mr. Sohan is this second expression, and total amount Total amount donated will be sum of these two. I have used here horizontal method. First I have written this expression and then this expression by putting the sign of first term, and first term sign is plus. Now I have written like terms together, a square together, ab together, b square together. Now I have started the bracket for a square and I will write the coefficient of a square and outside a square. Then by putting the sign plus, I will start the next bracket for ab. Here I have put the sign coefficient of ab, that is 6, and then coefficient of ab minus 2, and then close the bracket outside ab. Similarly, coefficient of b square minus 3 plus 5, then inside the bracket use the concept of integer, 2 plus 3 5 multiply by a square, 6 minus 2 4 multiply by ab square, ab 4ab, and here different sign of greater number, so 5 minus 3 2, and sign of plus 2b square. So this is the amount, this is the total amount. Now put the value. Here a is 100 and b is 150 given in the question. So 5a square 500 raised to the power 2, and 4 into 100 multiply by 150 plus 2 multiply b square 150 raised to the power 2. Power 2 means multiply 2 times. Here 150 2 times. So one term is this, one term is this, one term is this. Multiply them and then all of them. This is the answer. And what is the value? They are kind and helpful.